Is this the best Audi S6 ever made? The shocking truth is that Audi's first all-electric S6 might just outshine every gas-powered version that came before it. I've just spent time behind the wheel of the 2025 Audi S6 E-Tron, and what I discovered will change how you think about electric performance cars. Audi has absolutely nailed it with this 543 horsepower electric rocket that blasts from 0 to 60 in just 3.7 seconds. But raw speed is only part of what makes this car special. The dual-motor setup delivers power with a smoothness that many electric performance cars simply can't match. There's no jarring surge of torque, just a relentless, sophisticated push that continues all the way to its 140 miles per hour top speed. What truly impressed me was how the S6 E-Tron handles. Despite carrying a large 100 kilowatt-hour battery pack, the car feels remarkably agile. Audi's engineers have worked magic with the redesigned front axle, virtually eliminating the understeer that plagued previous Audi models. The perfect 50/50 weight distribution gives the car incredible balance through corners, while the steering provides genuine feedback that connects you to the road. The braking system deserves special praise too. Unlike many EVs with their unnatural brake feel, the S6 E-Tron blends regenerative and mechanical braking seamlessly. You can adjust regen levels using the steering wheel paddles, allowing everything from one-pedal driving to a pure coasting experience. It's this level of driver customization that makes the S6 feel more like a driver's car than a tech showcase. Speaking of tech, the interior strikes the perfect balance between futuristic and familiar. Slip into the supportive leather sport seats, and you'll face an impressive digital cockpit. The curved display combines an 11.9-inch driver screen with a 14.5-inch infotainment touchscreen running on Android Automotive. It's responsive, intuitive, and supports a variety of apps without overwhelming you with complexity. The optional lighting strip running across the dash isn't just ambient lighting, it's functional too, pulsing green with turn signals and changing colors based on driving modes. And don't miss the available 830-watt Bang & Olufsen sound system with 20 speakers, including 4 built into the front headrests for an incredible audio experience. Range anxiety? Forget about it. The S6 E-Tron delivers an EPA-rated 324 miles on a full charge. When you do need to plug in, the 800-volt architecture allows ultra-fast charging at up to 270 kilowatt. This means you can add 166 miles in just 10 minutes, or go from 10 to 80% charged in only 21 minutes. The exterior design deserves praise too. The S6 E-Tron is sleek yet muscular, with a hatchback profile that offers both style and practicality. Silver accents on the grille, mirrors, and rear diffuser identify this as an S model, while thin daytime running lights give the front end an aggressive, futuristic scowl. So what's the verdict? The 2025 Audi S6 E-Tron isn't just a good electric car, it's an exceptional sports sedan by any standard. Priced around $86,000 and arriving in showrooms spring 2025, it outperforms BMW's i5 M60 xDrive with more driver engagement and a more natural, organic feel behind the wheel. Audi has proven that the future of performance cars doesn't have to be soulless or clinical. The S6 E-Tron delivers everything we've loved about Audi's sports sedans: the precision, the quality, the technology, while eliminating the compromises of previous generations. This isn't just the future of Audi, this is the future of performance driving, and that future looks incredibly bright. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.